good. Okay. What's up, Lynsey here, and no. What's up, y'all? Lynsey here, and I'm gonna tell you 5 reasons why you don't have any clients. 5 reasons why you don't have any clients. So before we get into those 5 reasons, I actually have a spot in the house where I can shoot videos. Let me show you what I've done with my new space. Yo, tell me what you think about the new spot. I'm comfortable with it. I may change it up a little bit, but I'm good with it for right now. So, like I was saying, those 5 reasons why you don't have any clients. An obvious reason is because you're not even looking for any clients. You think they just magically show up on your doorstep and they're just gonna throw money at you and you're gonna just make lots of money and you don't have to do anything. That's a lie. What you need to do is actively search for the type of clients that you want. Which leads me to my next reason why you don't have any clients. You need to cut the fat. What do I mean by that? That means that you are trying to cater to too many people at one time. One day it's a wedding client. The next day you're talking about portraits. The next day you're talking about shooting pets and sports, and it's all on one just big website. Nobody knows what to hire you for. Make sure that you are choosing the genre of photography that you want to be hired in the most. I know for me, when I transitioned away from shooting weddings and actively started pursuing more commercial work and more advertising work, that's what I got. Another reason you may not be getting any clients is because you don't follow up with your old clients. You know, they will forget you. That has actually happened to me several times. I might need to take my own advice. But the reason they're not contacting you is because you're not talking to them. If they hired you for one project, stay in touch with them to be considered for the next. Super easy. Send an email to them, give them a call, send them pigeons, whatever you need to do. Stay in touch with your previous clients. When you're actively looking for clients, make sure you define what type of client you want. One reason you may not have any new clients is because you're not defining the type of client that you want. Whether you're looking for corporate clients, wedding clients, family portrait clients, whatever the case may be, you need to think about what you like to shoot the most. So just take a second, think about what's on your website right now, do a little woosah moment, and be honest with yourself. Who exactly are you really advertising to? I mean, there was at one point my site had all types of stuff on it, but I had some help as to what type of work that was strongest on my website. And I also knew that I wanted to shoot more commercial work, more advertising, more editorial work. So I made sure the photos that I was posting on my website fit the category that I wanted to do more work in. So I initially defined my client by posting the type of work that I wanted to be hired for. And the last reason you may not be getting any clients is because you don't have a marketing plan. What strategies are you using to advertise just who you are? Does anybody know who you are? Do they know that you even exist? You know, some marketing strategies you could use would probably be your Instagram page, maybe Facebook, newsletters, emails, whatever you decide to use is going to be most beneficial to you. Think about how you want to market yourself to the people that you want to hire you. So now that you know why you don't have any clients, take these 5 reasons, turn them into solutions, and get you some clients. So hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Keep shooting.